Choosing the right business and domain name for your new business is an important part of your digital strategy and can help you gain an edge over your competition. So, my focus today is to break down how to decide on the right business domain name, why it's important, as well as where and how you can actually purchase the right domain name. I'll also discuss other important things that you need to think about after purchasing your domain name as part of your digital strategy. Okay, so with that covered, let's go ahead and dive into choosing the right domain name for your business. First off, do you have a business name? If not, and you're a local business, a key digital strategy is to pick a name that also has your primary keyword. For example, let's say I'm a website developer or agency. In this case, my primary keyword is web design. So some strategic business name examples could be Click Me Web Design, Elevate Web Design, Apex Web Design Studio, Fusion Web Design and Development, and there are many more I could use. These are powerful business name examples that include the primary keyword that I want to be discovered by when a potential customer searches for that keyword online. Now, you want to leverage AI to help you first discover the primary keyword and second to discover the business name. Here I am inside of Gemini. Now, you can use ChatGPT or another AI chat tool for this. Then add a prompt like this. What are the top 3 primary keyword searches potential customers are searching for on Google when looking for a local roofing contractor in Sydney, Australia? Simply replace the business type here and the location with your business details. You'll get a response like this. Then choose 1 or 2 of the recommended keywords and add these inside your next prompt like this. What are 10 business name ideas for a roofing contractor in Sydney, Australia that include the keyword roof repair? And boom, just like that, you now have specific keyword focused business names that you can choose from. Now, Google is smart, so you do not need to add the location in your business name. Again, remember to replace roofing contractor with your business type and replace the primary keyword with the one that you identified. Simple, right? Your business name will play a big part in terms of long-term branding and search discoverability. Now, for businesses that operate globally and are not location specific like the previous examples, you don't have to follow the same structure I just shared because you don't need to add a location or primary keyword. Instead of this, you want to focus on a unique and memorable name. Think about international business examples like Meta, Lululemon, HubSpot, Zoho, and the likes. You want to focus on building brand. For international brands, online stores, and those that operate globally, it's best practice to keep your business name short and sharp. Again, you want this business name to be unique and memorable. Okay, so now that you have a business name, it's time to claim a domain name. Jump over to Hostinger, Namecheap, or Bluehost to purchase a domain name or jump over to a different provider. If you're interested, I'll add my full video guide that covers my top 5 domain registrars for small businesses. Feel free to give this a quick watch. Today, I'll be using Hostinger as an example for purchasing. Now, like I mentioned, you already have a business name picked out. Next, we want to choose a TLD, top level domain. This is part of your domain name and is important for speaking authority, credibility, and is important for SEO. It impacts how users perceive your website. For local businesses, you want to be using a country code TLD, like .ca for Canadian businesses, .uk for British, .au for Australian, .jp for Japan, and there are many others. I'll add a list of all country code TLDs down below in the description. These specific local TLDs show your website visitors that you have a geographical relevant website. In New Zealand, my example web design agency would look something like this: www.apexwebdesign.co.nz. Then we have common generic TLDs like .com, ideal for businesses that sell products or services globally. This is the most common and strongest perceived TLD. So again, if you sell your products or services globally, I highly recommend that you purchase this TLD.com. Then others include .io for software-based companies, .app for app-based businesses, .org for not-for-profit organizations, and there are many more. you can search for the one that you're after here. If you cannot find the TLD that you're after, then check out another domain registrar. Again, I'll add my top 5 below in the description, as well as a list of popular TLDs that you can choose from. Also, it does not matter where you buy your domain from. It's simple to connect with your website or your business email that you host somewhere else. Your domain provider will also help you connect, point your domain to the right place. Also, if you like, you can move your domain to a different provider in the future. Now, if your ideal domain name is already taken, you will need to create a variation of that domain name by either changing the domain name itself or changing the TLD. Now, once you've chosen and purchased your domain name, it will cost you around $16 per year to own. And just like that, congratulations, you now own a business domain. So what's next? Well, it's time to build a website and connect your domain name. What I'll do is add my ultimate guide for choosing the right website builder for your business. I'll add that down below. I'll also share other helpful videos down below, like setting up your business email with your new domain name. However, that is it for this brief guide, covering everything you need to know about choosing a business name and a domain name. Again, make sure you check out the description down below for helpful resources and video tutorials that will help you on your business journey and help you navigate through the ever-changing digital landscape. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this complete domain guide. Now, if you have any questions about choosing the right domain for your business, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this guide all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.